Right there is the link if you're interested in any of the cutlery that the chefs are using. It's great stuff, as well as the butcher block. Really, really good stuff. Super high quality. Try this recipe out. Have a beautiful day. Yeah, some of the tools I'm using here today are right here. So we got the peeler from Sweden. We got the zester from Germany. Sharpest on the planet. We got the channel knife. We got the core. This is from Germany as well. So all these tools are really good quality, and if you need them, just visit your sponsor right there. They got them all in stock. It's the good stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Oh, by the way, I know the sponsor's having a sale, and these stones are less expensive than anyone else on the internet, so you might as well save some money while you're at it. So check it out. Limited edition. The deal will be gone soon. And of course, there's a handy little brochure which shows you more of the global knives. And let me tell you, there's a ton of them. And chefs love them. You will too. Look at all the different chef knives alone. Oh yeah, you can score all your high quality garnishing tools at the sponsor, and this is not the crap the other guys are selling. You've seen it all over the place, you know, for $10, $20, it's a bunch of crap. This is made in Germany, high quality. The peeler's Sweden, I showed you that. The scoops, the channel knife, this is all German. This stuff's made to last, people. And of course, the case too. You gotta have a nice roll-up case. So this is very important that you have the right tools. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day.